It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday. What? It's Friday then. Saturday, Sunday. What? Yeah, it's okay.
What's up? This is Jeff. Welcome to Jeff's podcast, and today we're talking about Oppo and Realme because both brands are made in China, which is handled by BBK Electronics Corporation, which is located in Dongguan, Guangdong, China, along with OnePlus, Vivo, and iQOO. Since four brands are making into the Philippine market and it's available in selected stores for Oppo, Realme, and Vivo, while OnePlus is available exclusively at digital Walker stores. I have my Realme 5 Pro as my Christmas gift back in December 2019, and the camera looks good because I took some shots came and used it for the upcoming cons, including anime conventions, battery life which never runs out quickly, and security because instead of using the fingerprint scan, you can also using a facial security features. For the camera, it looks okay, so I need to adjust some shots and the video has been stable without getting shaky. The phone performance looks okay thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset and it can upgrade to Android 10 update. I played several mobile apps including Love Live School Idol Festival All Stars, Band Dream Girls Band Party, and Preconnect for gaming performance. Here are the shots that I made using my Realme 5 Pro smartphone, which I can use it for the upcoming cons before the events has been cancelled due to the COVID pandemic. So I decided to take some shots from sunset photos to sightseeings. In December of 2020, Philippine cosplayer and gamer Alodi Gosenfiao becomes the new endorser of Realme with the launch of the X50 Pro 5G. It's an upgrade version of the X50 series, including the regular version, the X50, and the X50 Pro, which is now upgraded into a 5G phone. The X50 Pro 5G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G, which features a 65-watt Super Dark Charge, a 90Hz Super AMOLED full screen, 64-megapixel quad camera, vapor cooling system for gaming, and dual stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos. She also endorses the Lazada exclusive Narzo 30A, and Narzo 30A is a gaming phone thanks to the Helio G85 gaming processor and quick charging where the phone is powered for up to 6,000 mAh of battery life. In March of 2021, the plan has been backfired when Alodi's sister and also gamer Ashley Gosenfiao endorses Oppo. She releases the Reno 5 series. Reno 5 series is the successor of the Reno 4 series, with new features including a dual view video, dim light backlight, 50-watt flash charge, 90Hz refresh rate, and two cameras including a 44-megapixel selfie camera on the front and a 64-megapixel main camera at the back. The sound system is also powered by Dolby Atmos. The Reno 5 series features different versions. The Reno 5 4G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, while the Reno 5 5G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G. I've been a fan of Douglas and Fiao sisters since 2010, that was 10 years ago, and both of them are gamers. Alodi is the founder of Tier 1 Entertainment, which is why I'm going to apply for a job before the pandemic. However, it is far from home where the office is located in Quezon City because my parents won't accept that it's very far from home, which is I'm from Cavite. Oppo and Realme are good phones, quality camera, and better price. The question is, which phone shall I pick? If you have comments or suggestions, let us know in the comments. Follow Jeff11 Manchester on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And if you have a PayPal account, send us at paypal.me/Jeff11LFS or send it to GCash if you're in the Philippines. Well, that's about it for Jeff's podcast. This is Jeff. We'll see you in the next podcast.